Okay, now let's play this once. Okay, now overall you did the 50 frames of animation. When I play, it looks linear. It's going in a same speed. Okay, and imagine and think this as a roller coaster. Okay, roller coaster means that how it slides like this, no? If you see some places, it go fast, then slow, then fast, then slow, like this. Okay, even you can see the thickness of this pen. And imagine, let's say it's going from here the fast, and now here it's getting slow. Again it goes fast and slow, like that. Okay, so how we can do slow? So there are two things we can add here. One is spacing. Okay, we can play with the spacing, and other one is timing. Okay, so timing and spacing is very important in animation. Okay, so if you see this, you can see your whole spacing of this animation is linear. It is in equal distance. Okay, so we can add ease in and ease out here. Overall, if you see, you can increase the onion skin from here, so you will notice the spacing. Okay, and your animation is on twos. Okay, so what we can do is, one, we can add frames. We can add or remove frames. That way you can make it like slow and fast. And one more, where you want to do slow, you can add more frames. Yeah, so it will be like this. Let's say your first frame is here, then you're easing out slowly. Okay, there are more frames here, like close to each other, and gradually spacing is increasing. Okay, that means it is easing out. Okay, and when you stop, like here, okay, so it's ease in. Okay, slowly it stops. Hmm, and here it accelerating, which is in the speed. Okay, then we can add more frames here. We can increase at this place, like we'll do the bouncing ball later. When you see the bouncing ball, it will be like this frames are very close here. Okay, like this, and here there will be too much distance, so it goes fast up, and now the energy gets down, so it goes slow, and again the gravity pulls down, so it comes fast. And this will go to edit mode. Okay, I want here at this place, I want this more speed, so I can remove some frames. Let's select everything. Okay, and I'll reduce one by one frame at a time. Okay, so you can see 6, 8, 9, these are on ones, then it is on twos, and again let's say here, from here you want fast. Okay, so from 19, 21, and 23, so we can reduce this 21 here and on 22. Okay, this will go fast, and let's say I want more slow here at this position at the top. Okay, more hang time, like goes very slow. So what I'll do here, I'll add one frame, and after this here also I'll add one more frame. Okay, so now I didn't play with the spacing, I played with the timing. Okay, I played with the frames. in the timeline. I reduce some frames, I increase some frames. So now you can see these are on twos, and these three frames are ones, again on twos. Now here you can see on threes, 23, 24, 25, 26. These are on threes. Okay, let's play now. So you can see overall timing is changed. Okay, the first few frames it goes linear way, then it goes slow, and again it's fast, gains energy, and at the top it goes slow. Okay, if you want more slower action, so you can increase more frames here. Let's say here I will increase one more frame. Here also I will increase one more frame. Let's see now. So you can see like it goes slow here. Okay, the only problem is it is we are getting the timing hang time, but it looks jerk because the hold is too much. You can see I think here it's a 4 frames and here it's a 5 frames. Okay, yeah, I'll made 4 frames now. Okay, so there is too much gap between these frames, so I can add one more drawing here between these. Okay, so what we can do is from here also we need to improve the arc. So last time I showed you can smooth out this. Okay, let's go to sculpt mode and we can smooth this. uh, if you don't know which tool is what, and so you can pull this. So now we can select smooth. You can smooth this a bit, and we'll go to next frame. So here I added one frame, right? So I did the smooth here, that's why it's added one more frame. So what we can do, I'll go to object mode. Sorry, not object mode. I'll go to edit mode. Take this and rotate this. So I'll keep the nice arc. Then I'll go to sculpt mode. You can grab this and keep it in nice arc. So you can see like the arc is breaking. So I'll keep this in the arc. Okay, one now I'm improving the arc. Okay, arc, and also I'm adding improving the spacing. So you can see the frames are very close here. Okay, and I did it on once. This is fine, it's going smooth, and now you can smooth this. You can grab and slightly I'll make an arc for this. Okay, and now you can notice like the frames are very close here. Okay, and suddenly it's going fast. I'll keep this on twos only. Later if you want we can add more drawings in between. We can do some in between later. Okay, and flip this whenever you want to see how it looks, just flip this. This is how old days we used to flip the papers. And smooth out this. Now you can see these are like on fours. So between these two frames here I'll add one more frame. And now I can also adjust the spacing. Just I told you, right, ease in and ease out, so you can adjust that. Now you can smooth out this. I'll go to sculpt mode. And last frame I will keep it out of the frame. Okay, so now let's play this. So you can see how it is going. In the beginning it's fast, and then slow downs, and again it's going fast. If you want, let's say this one we want more fast. Okay, so what I can do, like here I can reduce one more frame. Let's say I reduce one frame here. You can see this will go fast now. If I want more slow here, okay, I'll add at least two frames here, one, and I'll go here and add one more frame here. Okay, and now between these two I'll slowly move this. Okay, can also do this with sculpt tool. First check which frame, let's say it's going forward, and then here I can move slowly. Okay, and play this like this one slightly. I'll bring forward, so I'm adjusting the frames here, adjusting the spacing here. And the next frame, see it's very close, slightly I move forward overall. Don't make it like first a small distance, like spacing is very small, and the later frame, if you increase this frame, suddenly it will get jerk. Okay, okay, and let's say here want more fast. Okay, see after 5 there is one frame 6 which is blank. That means frame 5 is visible for 2 frames. This one frame I will reduce, so we can see it will be more fast here. And now it's getting pace, and again it's getting slow here. So at this place where I reduce one frame, what I'll do, you can see the spacing, I'll stretch this. So now you can see at this pace at the top how it is getting slow. If you want more energy, more slow at this place, so you can try increasing couple of frames at the top. So here I increase one frames. So that means this 24 is visible for 2 frames, and again the 26 is visible for 2 frames. Okay, let's play now. So you can see like it stops there. It's not stopping, like subtle moving old we are getting over there. If I increase one more frame here, let's increase at this place and also here. So you can see it's getting more slow here. Feels like almost stops there.